This evening, a call from Chief Justice Brian Sykes for judges to hand down swifter judgments where possible. It comes with a warning that they could lose their job in instances where it is found they have failed to efficiently rule on matters. TVJ's Dwayne Anderson tells us more.
Chief Justice Brian Sykes says for 2.5 years he has listened to the concerns of the Justice Minister for Jamaica's courts to be more efficient. In turn, the Chief Justice is asking judges to manage their time better when handling cases. Failure to do so, he said, could have dire implications.
Because a good argument can be made, I think, that undue delay in the delivery of judgments is unethical conduct. And there's now a growing school of thought that persistent and chronic non-delivery of judgment may rise to misconduct in office sufficient to warrant removal from judicial office. And so it is something that we as judicial officers now need to begin to take on board.
The Chief Justice said the advent of technology and with it new observers means the judiciary is under the microscope. This, he says, is however not a green light to entertain hopeless proposals from lawyers and their clients in the name of politeness.
In effect, we are becoming the goldfish in the aquarium. And just about everyone now has a cellular phone, a mobile phone with camera. And this means that our every move, even public and private spaces, our utterances can now be captured digitally for posterity and posted on the various social media that exists, Twitter, Snapchat, and the like. And so the very existence and use of social media in the context of freedom of speech, a right that judges also enjoy, now poses serious challenges as far as judicial conduct is concerned.
Chief Justice Sykes was speaking at the University of the West Indies Mona over the weekend, where a refresher program is being undertaken for members of the judiciary. Among the training is a focus on ethical practices.
Judicial office isn't for them. And I'm not saying it's a good thing or a bad thing, but the truth of the matter is that judicial office comes with its own restrictions. And people really should know what it is that they are getting into before they get into it. And then having gotten there now, they feel that it's just too late to turn back. And so we are seriously thinking of whether or not persons should really be exposed to what it really means to be a judge in the truest sense of the word. It's not just a matter now of deciding cases and writing judgments, but how it affects your family, your children, places that you go, places that you don't go.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.